Hello, and welcome to our final lesson of our scientific measurement unit. This is our review section that will allow us to prepare for our Chapter 3 and 4 summative test coming up shortly. So as you can see on the resources behind me, we've tried to group some of the more important and critical pieces for you to do some review. And so we first of all have a Chapter 3 and 4 review sheet. Make sure you check that out. As always, you probably want to check out the answer key that's tied in with that as well. We had the Chapter 3 notes. Remember, those went through the metric system, qualitative versus quantitative, scientific notation. Then we got into some uncertainty, how to measure things, percent error, accuracy, precision, significant figures, including how to count them, how to round with them, adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing with them as well. Then we moved into density to wrap up Chapter 3. In our Chapter 4 notes, seen right here, the problem solving, we talked about first how to solve a problem, and then we focused on conversion problems or dimensional analysis, lining up the problems so that the units cancel, allowing us to get the right answer at the end, and of course calculating those with significant figures as well. Our answer key folder will contain all of the worksheets, review sheet, etc., those answer keys. Make sure you're checking your answers. Having answers on your paper doesn't do any good unless they're the correct ones, so take the time to do that. Also, a couple of more things. Don't forget that you took a lesson quiz for each of these 4 lessons. On the metric system, on measurement and precision, on density, and then finally on conversion problems. So go back over those results. Also, we set it up this time so you could take those, I believe, up to 3 times. You were required to take them once, so maybe now that you've gotten a little bit further, take it a second time or a third time, see if your results are improving, see if you're understanding what the right answers are. If you're not getting them right on the quiz, obviously it's going to be a little bit hard on the test. So do take advantage of that. And of course, within each lesson, there were some additional resources that we didn't cover in class or we didn't require you to do, so feel free to go back and check out those and see if they will help you as you help you to learn just a little bit more about what this whole Chapter 3 and 4 is about. So we hope you're getting ready for the test. There's always office hours as well. If you have any questions, just call, text, email your teacher, and test will be here soon. So good luck studying.